What's up, BBs?
Hey,
We are on our way to Gogi Yogi to get something to eat. Let's go, guys.
let's go.
What's up, BBs?
Hey,
We are here at Gogi Yogi to get some Korean barbecue here in DC. Never been here before. Let's try something a little different. Let's do it.
it. So we are here a bit early, so they did give us a brunch menu. We're actually not gonna look at that today, even though it does look good. So this is the main menu. So you got your alcohol, your soju, your beer, and your wine. Different type of cocktails that you can get. Also, more alcohol on this page. This is your starters, and then you can get all of these items a la carte. And then on the back is the main items that you can get, so the all you can eat. So we are actually choosing option B. These are all the things that you can get. And then these are the banchan that comes with it, so these are your sides. So we'll keep you guys posted.